Hey everybody, welcome back. We are back at Center Hill Dam today, but today we're going to do something different. Richard from Better Days Fishing always does this trip down the Caney Fork to Happy Hollow boat ramp, so we are going to do this today. And when I say we, that's my wife Nicole out there. We're even bringing her along for the ride today to do some fishing and get out on the water and enjoy our day off. So we're going to paddle a little bit, we're going to fish a little bit, we're going to drink a little bit, and we're going to eat a little bit, and hopefully catch some fish. So, see you on the water. Actually, I guess we're on the water. We'll see you in a bit. There's Nicole. We haven't caught any fish yet. We haven't really tried. We're gonna pull over pretty soon, put some worms on, see if we can get onto some trout. You got a fish coming right at it. He got it. Pull. Oh! He's coming back. Nope, he left.
I knew I had something on there. I just couldn't catch them. Because I got him munching on it now. I missed him. I keep getting him munching on me.
That's a rainbow.
Take a picture. He's not big enough.
He's not big enough. Come on, buddy. Good looking fish. See you, bud.
I thought I had him.
You do.
I know.
All right, Nicole's got her first trout. She's bringing him in. Oh, it's pretty exciting. We got a rainbow already today. And what do we have here? This looks to be like another rainbow trout. That's Nicole's first trout. Congratulations.
Hey, thanks. He's a little guy. Oh, okay, he got.
He's a big one.
Oh, nice. That's a rainbow too.
Yep.
That's a big one.
Ooh, he's a good sized rainbow. Nicole's got another one.
Oh, honey. Another rainbow. Right? What's part of it? These are all fighting.
He's a good size one. Ooh, he's a nice size. Bring him over here, actually. Ooh.
Oh, where's your net?
He's a beauty.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
That is a brown trout. Another rainbow.
Oh, you got another one? Is that your food?
Yep. Hang on, guy. It's the first fish on a mouse tail. Yep. Oh, and he swallowed that hook. Well, we're back on the river after our first stop. We caught a half a dozen fish, half a dozen trout. Nicole definitely caught the biggest one. It's pretty good. And so we're going to paddle for a little while and then find another place to stop and pull over. Maybe have a sandwich. Well, we're definitely doing more paddling than fishing, which is all right. Like I said, it's a beautiful day out here. Might stop and pull over one more spot. Do a little fishing, have a sandwich. But it's just nice being out on the river. And we caught. There we go. Actually, it feels pretty good. Oh, he's not that good. He's not that good. It's a brown. Nope. Oh, I did get him. He's a good one. Want to go grab the net?
Yeah, that looks like a big one. This would be number 6 for you, isn't it?
Yep. Really brown. Nice catch. Ooh, he's a good one. Pretty brown trout. Look at that guy. See you, bud. Nope. Little rainbow. See you, bud.
Oh, I did get him. He's just a little guy, that's why I couldn't tell. I don't know if I had him the whole time or just not. Yeah, little guy. Alright, is he in his mouth or on him? What do I got?
Rainbow.
Rainbow. He's a little guy. Oh, he's not that little.
No, he's actually perfect eating size. See you, bud.
Perfect.
Nice job. Here we just have some random cows hanging out at the side of the river. 4 cute little guys and a bunch of big cute guys. Just hanging out, looking at us. Checking us out, wondering what we're doing on the river. Look at them look. Curious little fellas. Hey everybody, our trip is just about over. This is Happy Hollow boat ramp up here, so we're just finishing the 5 or 6 mile trip from Center Hill Dam to Happy Hollow. And it was a great trip. I think between the two of us, Nicole and I caught about a dozen fish. And I think we caught the trout trifecta. We're gonna have to look back at that picture and see if the one that she caught was a brook trout. I'm pretty sure it was, and if it was, that was a trophy. But anyway, great day in the water. Again, beautiful day. Finally a little bit cooler here in Middle Tennessee. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And as always, even if you didn't like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of Dad's fishing adventures. Thanks, everybody.